Welcome everyone, Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is August the 29th, which is a Wednesday, and once again this market was fairly flat today. Just a lot of no conviction in the market, just wasn't moving anywhere. And despite that fact, we ended up making $341. I really had an objective of 500 today, but I decided to be a little bit more conservative and went ahead and decided to stop trading at 341, because as you can see here, this is just an example of the euro right now, what we saw today. This is 5 minute, this is 1 minute. As you can see, this market really wasn't really going anywhere. No really strong conviction either up or down. But we did use the whenever we had it, we did use the correlation pattern. We did look for some good EOM, which would come and go, and we did place our orders in properly. So, I mean, all said and done, it was a good day. It could have been a better day. And so, like I said before in the past, when the markets start acting like this, typically what happens is it means it's getting ready to break out one way or the other. And so I'm expecting if it's not going to do it this week, it's probably going to do it next week. And also, again, I want you to see how I kind of manage my trade size. I started off with 10, really looking to make, like I said, looking to make my objective. And you start seeing I did a lot of onesies. Well, I'll go back to ones if I'm not real confident, or if the market starts to go sideways. I call it a nibble strategy. Or start nibbling away at it, and I'll nibble away at it with one lots, and then when the markets really start moving again, then I'll come back and hit size. But only a few times that I actually hit size, and sometimes I hit size and did well, and sometimes I hit size and I didn't too well. I think most of the time when I put size on today, I think they were pretty much all winners, but I did get chopped up a little bit on the onesies. But nonetheless, all in all, I'd say it's a decent day, up 341, so I'd count that as a fairly decent day. So nonetheless, tomorrow is going to be Thursday. It's going to be the 30th. We have 2 more days this month. So if you're interested in seeing a little bit more on how I select my trades and my core strategy that I use when I trade the 5-minute Nadex binary options, you can get a hold of my free fundamental video, and it's going to be coming up right at the end of this video. So hang tight. I'll show you exactly how you can get your hands on it. Otherwise, I'll see you at the next recap, which is going to be tomorrow. Take care. Okay, so here we are. So as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in getting the free fundamental video, which I am going to offer free of charge right now for a limited time, all you have to do is just go to binaryprostrategies.com. You're going to get a little pop-up, fill out the information, and what I'll do is I will send you a link. It's actually a link to a private Facebook page where you have access. That's where you're going to be able to see the fundamental video, but you're also going to be able to look at my prior trades, because I do post them daily. And all these trades are the trades that I demonstrate live in front of my students. As I share my charts, and I make my trades, and I explain and demonstrate to you exactly why I'm making a particular trade, what the particular setup is, and so forth. So it's very educational, but nonetheless, nothing's held back in that fundamentals videos. That is the core strategy that I use to make all the trades that you saw today. And I'm sure that just taking that video and applying the methods that you see there, it's greatly going to improve your trading. But if you do want to go more in depth and really fine tune it, I do offer a service. It's a monthly service where you would then have access to all my other training videos, where I go a lot more into detail on each aspect of the core strategy. And of course, I also give additional what I call actionable trade ideas, where there are certain patterns that are not actually in the fundamental video that you can certainly take advantage of, and they're pretty powerful in terms of making money. So nonetheless, that's it. Please come back, and I will have another video tomorrow, and where I'll also share my trades. And once again, if you decide that you do want to join us, what you could do is you could just go ahead and in the Binary Pro Strategies, there's a place where you can go ahead and send me an email if you'd like, and or always feel free to give me a call at 469-554-0850. Be glad to answer all your questions. My goal here is to, I've been doing this for 35 years, so my goal here is to help other traders finally see how to truly make money in the markets. And I believe you can, you have a tremendous advantage by using Nadex binary options. So that's it. Wish you the best of success, and hopefully you'll be back tomorrow for my next, where I go over all my trades for that particular day. Take care.